today I'm gonna be sharing with you some of the things that you can actually do to make your 20s count, guys. Yeah, I'm a millennial too, so I know the things that really matter right now because of the series of things I've experienced. So let's just dive straight into the video. This is going to be a series. Just a remember, a quick reminder, this is going to be a series of videos that I'm going to be putting out this month, starting March. So be sure to click the subscribe button and like the videos that you watch in case you like the message, or if you don't like or approve of the messages that I'm going to be giving you, please be sure to give a thumbs down. It really doesn't matter. I'll really be glad with your feedback anyways. So let's dive in. And the first thing you should do when you're in your 20s, please, the moment you click 20, or even when you're like 18 or something, as long as you've gotten a side hustle, like a job, anything, please save up that money because you are going to need it a lot. Like, I can't even tell you how much you'll be needing that money, but you will be needing that money quite a lot, especially to help you live the other half of your 20s, because the first half is like from 20 to like 26 to 25, and then like from 26 above you live in the other half of the 20s. If you save up early enough, you leave the rest, you actually become financially free in the other half of your 20s. So that's pretty much the goal here. That's the advice I'm trying to give you, so you can really be financially free. I think that's a very major thing that people really need to understand and instill in younger children, like the younger generation, because most of the times we don't really understand anything connected to like financial literacy until when we're like 25 or 24, whatever. It's still not late, it's still quite early, but if I would have done the things that I'm doing right now, if I would have done them like 5 years ago, I would be so much better. Like, I would be very far. I wouldn't be in the place I'm at right now. I'm not complaining, but it sure would help. So save up that money that you make in your early years of like work, when you're still like 18, 19. Those coins are gonna help you, and what to do with them, that is the next thing. So the second thing, please, please, I am begging you on your behalf, I am begging you. So the thing is, you don't just save money and put it in a bank and let the bankers use it for whatever reasons they want to use it for. It's like you're just enriching them and you're not helping yourself. It doesn't work. So you will still be not financially free if you just let your money sit in the bank. It's not a wise decision. So if you have saved up some money, let's say you saved up for some money for like over two years, that money is more than enough, and it's very much enough to help you invest it in some sort of business or in some sort of stock, whatever it may be. It's gonna come in handy. Please, hey, just make sure you stick to your principles. It will take you a very, very long way. Make sure you invest that money either in stocks or in bonds, whatever. I don't know how much you could have saved, there is even options to like buy some insurance policies. For example, now I'm in Africa, Uganda, obviously, and here we don't really have that much information about buying stocks and trading online and all that. So if you really do not understand a business, please fast forward to invest in it. But you can invest in insurance companies that you can trust, because they've been here for a long time and they know what they're doing. They know the business, they know the trends. So you can talk to any insurance agent, and they'll walk through the process. They'll walk you through the process. They'll give you different ideas and options that you can use to save up money without any worries. Basically, your money will be making more money for you while it's saved up. That's a very secure idea, and I feel like people should really start even this insurance thing when they're still kids, but most people don't know about these things. So if you grow up, make sure you start with insurance, because it's like the easiest and safest means of investment for, let me say, maybe for freelancers right now. It's like the easiest for everyone, literally everywhere around the world. You should try it. Yeah, guys, so if you've grasped those two ideas, I'm sure they're going to take you from point A to point B. So we need to go from point B to point C. So if you really want to know what happened, want more tips on how you can invest your money, where to invest your money, and also the other things that make your 20s count, please stay on with me on this series. It's going to be a month long, so each and every video I put out, I'll be posting a couple of tips for you to go with and implement. Please, implementation is key. If you just listen to my voice and do not implement anything that I tell you, honey, we shall be chilling with our mojitos on the beach, and you will be slaving away at your job, whichever job it is. It doesn't matter whether you're the CEO of whatever. As long as you're not happy in the position that you're in, as long as you don't have financial freedom. Financial freedom means that you can do whatever you want, whenever, however, with whomever. So, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So we will be chilling at the beach. You will be in your office or wherever you are, slaving away because you didn't listen. Okay, you listened, but you didn't implement. So implementation is key. Bye.